This is the first in many series of short videos. Today I'm going to be debuting part of the toolkit that I have in a series of videos. So here we go. This is abrasive sandcloth aluminum oxide. It's 10 yards and it is a widely used resistant abrasive for cleaning and polishing tubing and fittings made of copper, plastic, and other materials. A lightweight, strong cotton-based fabric combined with tough oxide abrasive bonded with a water-resistant adhesive that provides a long-lasting cleaning. Okay, so I started working with tools back in when I was, I'd say, about 12 years old or younger. And my dad being very savvy, along with, both my parents being very savvy, they taught me quite a few things. So going into the local hardware store, we found this aluminum oxide abrasive cloth. It is very durable and it is capable of cleaning just about everything, even sharpening knives. So if you want something that's going to be multiple use versus just a regular sandpaper, it is extremely durable. You can easily cut it with your hands, but it is also tough to tear or poke holes into it. So this is from the local hardware store, and I've had this literally going on 10 years or more. So if you need something that's going to be similar to those abrasive bands used by those motorized sandpaper grinding, the benchtop grinding, this is it. Except you can't mount this on a wheel. So go down to your local hardware store and get some of this. I've literally had this for 10 years and I still haven't had a chance to finish it. We'll see you in the next video.